Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to deliver multiple choice questions on internal check system. So let's start with question number 1. The primary object of internal check is A. Prevention of errors, B. Prevention of fraud, C. Division and rotation of work, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 2. Internal check means A. To prepare of account books, B. To prepare trial balance, C. Arrangements of staff duties, D. To examine accounting books. And the correct answer is C. Arrangement of staff duties. Question number 3. Which of the following statement is true but internal check? Option A. It is built-in check in an accounting process itself. B. It is conducted at regular interval. C. It may be carried out in daily basis. D. It is needed when the organization has good internal control system. And the correct answer is A, and that is it is built-in check in an accounting process itself. Question number 4. Which one of the following is not an advantage of internal check? The options are A. It reduces cost burdens. B. Proper distribution of work. C. Fixation of responsibility. D. Smooth flow of work. And the correct answer is A. It reduces cost burdens. Question number 5. Internal check is valuable part of internal control. This statement is A. True, B. Partially true, C. False, D. Partially false. And the correct answer is A, that is true. Question number 6. Internal check is a backbone of A. Verification, B. Internal control, C. Investigation, D. Vouching. And the correct answer is B. Internal control. Question number 7. Internal check is needed. Option A. In special cases, B. Always, C. In general cases, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is B. Always. Question number 8. Internal check is one of the following for every organization. A. Mandatory, B. Optional, C. Mandatory subject to fulfillment of some condition, D. Optional subject to fulfillment of some condition. And the correct answer is B. Optional. Question number 9. Limitations of internal check are A. Expensive, B. Sacrifice of quality, C. Repetition, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 10. The audit program is prepared by A. The auditor, B. The client, C. The audit staff, D. The auditor and his client. And the correct answer is A. Auditor. Question number 11. Which of the following best describes the primary purpose of audit program preparation? Option A. To detect errors of frauds, B. To gather sufficient appropriate evidence, C. To assess audit risk, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C, that is to assess audit risk. Question number 12. A detailed plan of auditing work to be performed, sacrificing the procedure to be followed in a verification of each item in the financial statements, any giving estimated time required is called A. Audit planning, B. Audit notebook, C. Audit program, D. An audit procedure. And the correct answer is C, that is audit program. Question number 13. The scope of audit program will vary according to A. The nature of audit assignment, B. Choice of auditor, C. Choice of client, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. The nature of audit assignment. Question number 14. Audit program means A. The auditor's plan of action, B. The client's plan of action, C. Detection of mistakes, D. Prevention of fraud. And the correct answer is A. The auditor's plan of action. Question number 15. Which of the following statement is true about audit program? Your options are A. It is conducted at regular interval. B. It may be carried out on daily basis. C. It is needed when the organization has good internal control system. D. It is an auditor's plan of action. And the correct answer is D. It is an auditor's plan of action. Question number 16. Basic purpose of auditing program covers A. Coordinating the procedure of audit. B. Ascertaining the progress of audit work. C. Recording the work during the process of auditing. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 17. Audit program deals with A. Checking. B. Verification. C. Examination of accounts. D. Auditor's plan of action. And the correct answer is D. That is auditor's plan of action. Question number 18. The one objective of audit program is A. To examine true fair state of affairs. B. To maintain books and accounts according to rules. C. To promote division of work in well-organized manner. D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is C. That is to promote division of work in well-organized manner. Question number 19. The audit program covers the one of the following aspects. A. To comment about system and procedure. B. To promote division of work in well-organized manner. C. Routine checking. D. Analysis of internal control system. And the correct answer is B. To promote division of work in well-organized manner. Question number 20. Demerit of audit program is A. Highly expensive. B. Distribution of work. C. Rigidness. D. Uniformity of work. And the answer is C. That is rigidness. Question number 21. Function of audit program is A. Verification of assets. B. Supervision of work. C. Verification of liabilities. D. Reporting. And the correct answer is B. That is supervision of work. Thank you.